This system here is very unique. This is something that we've been working on for quite a few years. It started with the Tech 7 back in 2017. We started playing around with that, and we started, trying to clean solar panels and clean things without pure water systems, without RO filters, without DI filters. That's how the Tech 7 started, and that's kind of now the Tech 7 for cleaning solar panels has kind of developed into this system here, which is called the Solar7. Now the Solar7, the whole plan is to clean the panel with only using sediment filters and the Tech 7s to create the circumstances where the water can sheet off the solar panel without leaving any spots, which we've been pretty successful. We've been testing this for about 2 years now in California with several guys, and there's going to be more videos on this unit. It's not fully released yet. It's not something that I produce and I sell just because we're still in the testing stage. But as we develop it and we fine tune it and we make it even better, this is one of the systems that will be available in the future.